Now the next topic is angles. Okay, when two rays meet at a common vertex, they formed an angle. Okay, so this is one of the ray and this is another ray. They meet at a common vertex. Suppose this is O. Clear? So they formed an angle. This is the magnitude of the angle. ये इतने degree का है. Okay. So these rays are called arms of the angle, and the common point where these two rays meet, that is vertex of the angle. Okay. So now we'll go to the next part, types of angles. How many types of angles? The first one is right angle. Right angle, an angle whose measure is exactly 90 degree. Exactly 90 degree. Clear? So this is the right angle. An angle whose measure is exactly 90 degree, that is called right angle. Second one is acute angle. Acute angle, an angle whose measure is greater than 0 and less than 90. 0 से बड़े और 90 से छोटे. These are called acute angles. Okay, so this is one of the example of the acute angle. You can take any example. Suppose this is 70 degree. So this is acute angle. The next is obtuse angle. An angle whose measure is greater than 90 but less than 180. 90 से बड़े और 180 से छोटे. Okay, smaller than 180. So we'll take one of the example. This is the obtuse angle. Clear? It may be 110, it may be 115, it may be 120, कुछ भी हो सकता है. Clear? So greater than 90, 90 से बड़े और 180 से छोटे, वो हमारे होते हैं obtuse angle. Next is straight angle. What is the straight angle? Straight angle, an angle whose measure is exact 180. Exact 180, that is straight angle. Okay, straight angle कैसे दिखेगा आपको? ऐसे बिल्कुल. These are the two rays, straight line बनाएंगे. So this is straight angle 180 degree. Okay, next one is reflex angle. Reflex angle is whose measure is greater than 180 but less than 360 degree. 180 से बड़े और 360 से छोटे. Okay, so this is reflex angle, ये वाला. Okay, this is called, ये हमारा क्या है? Reflex angle. Okay, complete angle, whole angle भी बोलते हैं इसे हम. Complete angle, an angle whose measure is exact 360 degree. Complete angle, that is, suppose ये हमारा रे है, इस another रे है, यहाँ से घूम के वापस यहीं आ गए. This is 360 degree. An angle whose measure is 360 degree. और आप इसको ऐसे भी बना सकते हैं. ये हमारा रे है, दोनों यहाँ से चले वापस यहाँ पे आ गए. This is 360 degree. Clear? पूरा रोटेशन जो हम लेते हैं वो 360 डिग्री का होता है. Any doubt? Now we talk about the pair of angles. Pair of angles. Pair of angles. In pair of angles, first complementary angles. complementary angles. Complementary angles. If the sum of two angles is exact, total, complete sum of, if sum of two angles is 90 degree, so they are complementary. They are complementary angles. Okay. जब दो एंगल्स का सम 90 डिग्री हो, suppose two angles 40 degree and 50 degree, yes, they are complementary because sum of these two angles is 90 degree. Okay, this is the example. And one is called the complement of the other. एक को दूसरे का complement बोलते हैं. So suppose that I am asking कि what is the complement of 40. So 40 का complement क्या हो जाएगा हमारे पास 50 डिग्री. ओके, क्योंकि 90 कौन बनाएगा 40 को 50. So one is called the complement of the other. Next is supplementary angles. Supplementary angles. Supplementary angles, if sum of two angles is 180 degree, they are supplementary angles. They are supplementary angles. Okay, and one is called the supplement of the other. Suppose 120 degree and 60 degree. Are they supplementary? Yes, they are supplementary because sum of 120 degree and 60 degree is 180 degree. And one is called the supplement of the other. So what is the supplement of 120? 60. अगर मैं 60 का पूछूँ तो what is the supplement of 60? 120. Okay. The next is next topic is adjacent angles. What are adjacent angles? Adjacent angles. When two angles having common vertex and between common arms they are adjacent angles. Suppose these are the two angles. Okay, this one and this one. So common vertex, देखिए इस एंगल में और इस एंगल में दोनों में दिस इज O इज द कॉमन वर्टेक्स और दोनों एंगल्स में ये जो आर्म है that is the common arm. Okay, so two angles having the common vertex or between the common arms, they are called adjacent angles. Okay, next is linear pair of angles. Linear pair of angles. Clear? Linear pair of angles, when two adjacent angles are said to be linear pair if their known common arms are two opposite rays. Okay, two adjacent angles form linear pair when their known common arms are opposite rays. Opposite rays. Okay, suppose ये adjacent angles है ना, ये common arm है इनकी, तो ये known common arms होगी ना, बाकी ये suppose this is OB is the common, OB is common arm and O is the vertex. Okay. Suppose इसको OA ले लेते हैं, इसको OC. ठीक है, तो OA और OC नॉन कॉमन आर्म्स हो गई. So if known common arms are opposite rays, yeah, this is O, OB, OA, OC. Okay. OA and OC are the opposite rays and this is the common arm. ये non common arms हैं, ये opposite हो गई. So they form linear pair. So that means angle AOB plus angle BOC, angle AOB plus angle BOC is equal to 180 degree by linear pair. Okay. Next is vertically opposite angles. What are vertically opposite angles? Vertically opposite angles. Okay. What are vertically opposite angles? Two angles are said to be vertically opposite if their arms form their pair of opposite rays. Okay. So when two, so A, O, B, C, O, D. What are the vertically opposite angle? This one. This one. ये suppose हमने angle 1 ले लिया, इसको 2 ले लीजिए, इसको 3 ले लेते हैं, इसको 4 ले लेते हैं. So when two lines cross each other, तो they formed in vertically opposite angles. ये देखिए दो lines, ये common vertex पे बन रहे हैं. Okay. So vertically opposite angle कौन से होते हैं? 1 के vertically opposite कौन है? 3. और 2 के vertically opposite कौन है? 4. So they are equal. So they are vertically opposite angles. They formed vertically opposite angles. Clear?